Guys, I'm making this quick video to show you how to humidify your guitar using the Oasis Plus Guitar Humidifier. So, basically, here's what it looks like when it comes out of the package. And there's crystals in the bottom. And then you have this piece that's going to go over top, like that. And then you have this syringe, and you're going to place it down into a cup of distilled water. And you're just going to fill it up to this line. I'll show you the line right here. And you're going to keep the humidifier in an upright position like that. I'm going to try this with one hand. Hopefully it don't fall over. You're going to put it in there like that. And then you're going to squeeze the water out. And you're going to do this 3 times. And then you're going to put that black cap back on top. Okay, once your humidifier is full, you can actually see the water at the top. Then you're just going to go ahead and replace the black cap. And then now it's ready to go into your guitar. So I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm going to pick these 2 middle strings right here. Now what I did was I went ahead and loosened those 2 strings on my guitar. And then all you're going to do is you're going to open this up like that. It's easier with 2 hands, but we're going to do it this way. There it goes. And then you're just going to leave it in there like that. Now, when you're going to refill it, you're just going to, take your cap off and then use your syringe. And it says it'll be like 1 time with the syringe. And you refill it every 5 to 7 days. And this here will make sure your guitar gets the correct humidity and it won't ruin your guitar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.